Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to, for part A, express 15 seconds as a percentage of 60 seconds. Well, so for part A, in blue, this is a relatively simple question. We always express the first percentage, in this case 15. Which I'm going to highlight in red, the first, and I also make sure that the units are the same. Both is in seconds. And the second percentage will be in green, and you can see very clearly now. Therefore, for part A, 15 over 60, and to make it into a percentage, times 100%. So final answer, you will then see me doing this calculation here, and this will give me 25, not forgetting the percentage sign. Part B, I'm going to repeat the same thing, and just need to take note for part B. Now I'm at part B. This is in cents, but this is in dollars. So I would have to do something to this $2. I would then have to convert this to cents, 200 cents. Okay, once they have the same unit, then I can apply what we have just learned. 27 is going to be over 200. Okay, times 100% to give me the percentage that I need. 13.5%. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.